In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom position in chess.com quickly and easily. This is super useful if you want to practice a specific setup, study a tricky endgame, test an opening idea, or jump straight into a position without playing through the whole game. It's a simple feature, but once you know where to find it, it can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides like this. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open chess.com in your browser and go to the analysis page. You can do this by hovering over the learn icon in the left sidebar and then clicking analysis. This is where chess.com lets you review positions, analyze moves, and build your own custom board setup. Once you're on the analysis screen, look to the right-hand panel. You should see a button labeled Setup Position. Click that button to begin creating your custom position. This will open the board setup tools, which let you manually place pieces exactly where you want them. Now, you can start building your position. Drag the pieces from the sidebar onto the chessboard. Place the kings, queens, rooks, bishops, knights, and pawns in the squares you need. You can create a position from scratch, recreate a game moment, or set up a specific training puzzle. Take your time here and make sure every piece is in the correct spot before continuing. After the board is set, you also need to choose whose turn it is. Use the white or black option so chess.com knows which side is to move. This is important because the same position can play very differently depending on whose turn it is. You can also set castling rights using the checkboxes if needed, which helps keep the position accurate and legal for analysis. Before finalizing, double check the setup one more time. Make sure the kings are on the board, the pieces are in the right places, and the turn indicator matches the position you want to study. If anything looks off, just adjust the pieces before moving on. When everything is ready, click Load. This will apply your custom setup and bring it into the main analysis board. From there, you can start analyzing the position, testing variations, or continuing your study just like any other chess.com analysis session. And that's it. You've now learned how to get a custom position in chess.com using the analysis board and setup position tool. It's a really handy feature for practice, study, and preparation. And once you use it a few times, it becomes very easy to do. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more chess tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.